Turning the appliance on. Each time the appliance is turned on, it performs an automatic preheat and rinse cycle which cannot be interrupted. The appliance is ready for use only after completion of this cycle. To turn the appliance on, press the on and off button. The message "Heating up, please wait" is displayed. After heating, the message "Rinsing" is displayed. As well as heating the boiler, the appliance also heats the internal circuits by circulating hot water. The appliance is at temperature when a message indicating the coffee taste and quantity is displayed.